So the kind people over at Torras, they sent me out their Torras material grade shatterproof privacy screen protector. So this is for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I have not had a screen protector on my iPhone 16 Pro Max in a while, and I do have some nasty scratches that I don't know where they came from, but I do have a nasty scratch here, over here, one here that you can actually put your finger in and feel it, and then one up here. So I usually keep my devices protected, but I don't know what happened with this one. I did have a screen protector on it. It got old, and then instead of me just going to get a new screen protector, I just decided to rock it without a screen protector. And here we are with the nasty scratches. Plus, I don't plan on upgrading my iPhone anytime soon, so I still want to keep it looking nice and fresh. So we're just going to get this unboxed, and I'm going to show you how you can put this on your device. So this is what is inside of the box. It's an applicator I love. Like I said, I love when companies send over those kind of easy access applicators to make putting a screen protector on a lot better. So then you do also get your wet wipe, dust removable sticker, instructions. You get 2 of them, so that's good. So I do know that I have the extra one if I mess this up, or if this one just gets old and I want to replace it, I do have access to doing so. So we're just going to peel this, take this out like so. And we're just going to get the device cleaned off and rub down like I always do. And my phones are always in my pocket, so that could be how I got those nasty grooves, even though I don't carry keys. But you know, sometimes the materials in your pocket are kind of rough and they can rub up against your screen. So that is why I wanted to get another screen protector and keep this thing protected. So first I'm going to use the wet wipe. Just gonna wipe it down real quick. Give it a quick wipe down. Wipe the dirt, dust, and grime off. Do make sure that you are in a room with no dust, even though that's pretty much impossible. Just make sure if you have pets, you get rid of them because they're gonna put out a lot of dirt and dander. I do not have pets, so I do not have that problem. And then once I'm done with the wet wipe, I do go on and use the microfiber cleaning cloth, even though that is putting some dust bites and things back on my device. That is okay because I have the dust removable sticker. And you want to use this. Hit your phone up. I don't care how old my device is. Even if I don't plan on getting another device, still like to keep my devices looking good and fresh, no matter how old they are. You know, those scratches that currently are on there will not go away, but at least I can protect my device from getting any more added scratches. And then we just want to pick up the applicator. Figure out how to do it. Protector should be on your device, no problem. This is their privacy screen protector, as you can see. No bumps, no bubbles, easy install. That's why I love when companies send over these kind of applicators, so you can just get your screen protector on easy, no bubbles, no kind of dirt, dust, or grime. If it is the bubbles, just work them out and let them sit. But as you can see, this looks like a bubble here, but it's not. That's actually a scratch that I actually have on my device. But overall, this does look and feel good. It's the privacy like screen protector. I'm really not a big fan of these kind of screen protectors, but it is what it is. I'd rather have a clear screen protector, but this does work. So let me take you over to their website to see where you can pick this up for yourself. If you want to get this for yourself, bear with me. So they make screen protectors for a lot of different other phones and cases for a lot of different other phones. And I actually have a Torras case that I might compare with this. Let me pull up the website real quick. Just let that load. I don't know why my Wi-Fi is not. Let me get my Wi-Fi connected real quick. Okay, so now should be able to show you. Pull up their website so you can see where to get this if you want to. So like I said, they do make screen protectors for a lot of other different kind of phones, so on and so on. So let's go to Apple. This is the 16 Pro Max. So those are some of the cases that you can currently get for your 16 Pro Max. Let's find the screen protector. See. Okay, so I couldn't find the screen protector on their website, but here it is on Amazon. If you want to go pick it up, this is the military grade shatterproof for iPhone 16 Pro Max screen protector, 9H plus temper glass, and one-step installation, full coverage, fit bubble free, top notch protection, 2-pack glass Go X. And that is true. And this is pretty much just showing you some of what it looks like. You can currently get this for $25.49. It's 15% off right now. Overall, like I said, this is a nice looking and feeling screen protector. When they mean notch protection, it covers the whole notch, so you don't have to worry about dust, dirt, grime getting inside of your phone, because this has the full coverage. And it was bubble free. It was only like 1 or 2 bubbles in there, but I was able to get them out with ease. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.